What's up, guys? It's T-Rowan, and today we're riding out at Hungry Valley. So we're gonna rip up some trails and just see where life takes us. Ooh. Oh. So I got regen up at like 10% still. I fixed the back brake finally. Put new fluid in. Cleaned it. Bled the brake. Dumped. First dump of the day. It's all about just getting a feel for it, you know? Learning. We just want to get better today. I'm not trying to be Travis Pastrana. We'll go this way. Rocks. This is beautiful. Wonderful desert. It's where the desert meets the mountains. You know, it's just a bunch of tinder. It's like riding in a big tinder box. Oh, shit. So this is gonna be this kind of day, huh? All right, that's fine. All right, so I see what happened. So it looks like I broke this bolt, which adjusts the tension. You can see that bolts aren't supposed to move like that. So trying to figure out, I'm gonna have to jam something in here and prevent it from moving forward, which is gonna, you know, slack my chain a lot, seeing as this adjusts chain tension. So I'm having to be MacGyver out here in the desert. Just gonna use what I can find. I mean, there's endless rocks out here. I just have to make one of them work. We're gonna find the rock that has the right size, that gives us the right amount of chain tension. And then we're gonna pound it in with whatever we can find to use as a hammer, which will probably be another rock. A little rock on rock action. Hope you guys are into that. Oh, there's a smooth rock. All right, we got some rocks. And if those don't work, we got plenty to choose from. That is not the right size rock. That might be the right size rock. Honestly, that's probably the best option we have right now. All right, so what we're gonna do, yeah, let's pound it with a rock. We're gonna take another rock like this. That's not coming out. That's not going anywhere. Ooh. It might get crushed. Might want to take some more rock. Damn it, of course I used quartz. I should have used something a little tougher here. I'm not a geologist, okay? But these are tools. Somebody in the comments section, let me know what kind of rock this is. What is this? What did I use? Did I use quartz? Or is this granite? Oh, that was worthless. Okay, so first rock is gone and would have been gone on the trail. Might as well take our screw out. Good for nothing sheared bolt. No. It's possible that we didn't shear it off. Yeah, actually, I think this is just a short bolt. Bad design. I didn't make this design originally, so I can't take credit for that one, but it is my fault for leaving it in and not investigating further. Can we find another rock? Will that work? I love playing in rocks in the desert. I've missed this. I've really missed this, being out here. Find another rock. Oh, we're killing precious ride time before this place gets busy. Come on, man. I need the right rock. Help me find, really? Airsoft BB? Okay. It's too big. Too big, but we need the right, that's gonna crumble. Right, so we know we need a certain type of rock. Like this looks like a very non-crackable rock, right? Just based on intuition. That looks like dirt. Like these river rocks, I think are the smoother type rocks. You guys didn't know this was gonna turn into a vlog about rocks, did you? Like that might work. Like, look at that. That's solid. I'd say we try this rock and see how far it gets us, you know? Chain tension's not quite what I want. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna work. Let's see. Let's see if I can spread this a little bit. Yeah. How's it going? They saw me putting rocks in the back and we're probably like, yeah, this guy's crazy. Let's avoid him. I don't blame him. I really don't. Oh yeah, that's good tension right there. All right. That's it, folks. We're back on the road. Should I bring my rocks? No, because we're just in a sandbox full of rocks. We'll find more. Should we need it? Hopefully not. All right, let's get back on the road. All right, so I am headed back to my truck to go get water because I don't feel like I brought enough water. I'm just sitting here fixing my stuff. I can already feel the heat. It is the desert after all. Just sucks the life out of everything. Certainly shaping up to be an adventurous day. We're in Honey Valley, looking for a specific trail. Looked at the map, I've studied the map, but until you get out there in person, how's our rock? The rock's doing great. All right, rock's looking good. Good, very good rock. Wow, look at that over there. I'm not even gonna try that. Nope. So rather than continue on backbone, due to my range, I think I am going to take the Flying W trail. So we're gonna go west back towards the truck because I'm at 71 volts and that means each one of my cells is at like 3.55 average, which is lower than nominal. So I may have used more energy today than I anticipated. All right. So this is the main road right here. Truck's back that way. I could take Rattler back. or I could just take these trails out to the road, which is probably what I'm gonna do. Charge that battery! Charge that battery! Oh! Should have known better. All right, get up and charge that battery. Oh man. Bent those bars good. Like you used to fix it with your bike when you were a kid. Just like that. Yeah. You see, most people like to come to Hungry Valley to ride. I like to come to Hungry Valley and fix stuff that breaks. Oh, and not have the right stuff. Oh, thank you, 13 millimeter. Yeah, I like to break stuff and then fix it in the desert. I'd rather do that than at home, you know? It's, especially with, you know, tools in a backpack. Just, I bring whatever I can, you know? Always bring enough to change a timing belt. That's my motto. If you got enough to change a timing belt, you're probably gonna be fine. I need some bigger. Let's get the big boy out. I need leverage here. Oh, don't move on me. Tap it up. Yeah. All right, that's good and tight. Good and tight. Yeah, it's a torque spec. Well, that's going to do it for this video, guys. I'm going to end this video with footage of me continuing to fix what I continue to break. So, yeah, stay tuned and be safe out there. Okay. Good as new. Back on the road.